Have you ever wondered how you can earn money just by viewing ads or completing surveys? Welcome to the world of online earning, where making money can be as simple as solving a captcha. Today we introduce you to faucetwave.net, a platform that turns these tasks into a potential income stream. With benefits like high referral commissions and quick payouts in under 24 hours, it's never been easier to earn a little extra. So stay tuned to learn how you can start earning on FaucetWave today. So, how does one go about earning on FaucetWave? Well, it's simple really. You start by creating an account. It's a straightforward process. You just need to provide some basic information like your name and email address. Once you've confirmed your email, you're good to go. Now let's talk about how you can earn money on the platform. First off, you can earn by viewing ads. Yep, you heard right. You just watch ads and get paid for it. It might not sound like much, but it can add up quickly if you do it often. Another way to earn is by completing surveys. Companies are always looking for feedback on their products or services, and they're willing to pay for it. So you'll be asked to answer some questions, and in return, you get paid. In addition, you can also solve simple captchas to earn money. It's as easy as typing in a few letters or numbers you see on your screen. But wait, there's more. Faucetwave.net also has a referral program. If you refer others to the site and they sign up and start earning, you get a cut of their earnings too. It's a win-win situation. And the best part? You can get your payout within 24 hours via PayPal, Stripe, or in cryptocurrency. The minimum payout is just $2. And there you have it, a simple and easy way to earn money online. Earning money online has never been this easy, thanks to FaucetWave. It's a one-stop hub where you can earn simply by viewing ads, completing surveys, and even solving simple captchas. But that's not all. FaucetWave offers a variety of tasks to choose from, ensuring that there's something for everyone. What makes FaucetWave stand out from the crowd is its high referral commission. With every person you refer, your earnings increase, making it a lucrative platform for online earners. And the best part? You can cash out your earnings in less than 24 hours. With a minimum payout of $2, you have the flexibility to choose between PayPal, Stripe, or even cryptocurrency as your payout option. So, what are you waiting for? Start your online earning journey with FaucetWave today. And don't forget to like this video, share, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks.